Hello guys, welcome to Design Art Studio. Today we are going to create a banner for the babies, for the toddlers. The design will be in Affinity Designer. So let's begin. I am going to take a new document of 2100 pixels by 2100 pixels. I'm going to create that. Okay, now I'm going to select the rectangle tool here. Create a rectangle here. I am going to give in color. Okay, now I am again selecting a rectangle tool, but that time I am going to keep it in white color, kind of creating a square here, but that should be smaller than your base one. That is my design's requirement, and that's perfect. Resizing it. Now I'm going to use an image which I have downloaded from the vector stock. It is the image of a baby. So let's drag and drop in my design. Now I have to remove the background of that image which I have downloaded. So right click and rasterize that layer. Now click to the pixel persona. You'll get the tool, flood select the image, press delete button, and there's no background now. I can show you. See, now the text vector stock and blah blah is coming here. So select the eraser tool and remove that. That's fine. Perfect. Oops, sorry. Now I'm going to design persona back. Now what I'm going to do is selecting frames and border from my custom made assets and in that frame I'll put that image. So from the assets, let's go to the assets first, select the frames and borders, and I am going to use that diamond frame. Okay, adjust it, bigger the frame, and go. I'm going to put that baby image into that frame. Okay, adjusting that image now. It should be perfect fit in that diamond. That's perfect. And now I want to change the color of that frame actually. Okay, click on that layer frame and I'm going to change the color. Select the color. I'm using this one. That's perfect. My motto is to actually prominent the baby, not the frame, but yes, that looks fine. Now I want to decorate the baby actually, so I'm going to add floral from my custom made assets. I have selected a flower which I want to put it on the ear of the baby. Perfect fit. That should look genuine actually. Now I'm going to add one more flower for the cuteness. You can skip this step if you want. What I thought is that looks more beautiful, that's why I'm using that. Okay, selecting another flower and resizing it. That's fine. Perfect. So these are the custom made assets. Guys, if you want to know more about custom made assets, I have given the link in description. You can check. Now my next step is to add some text or another image or something decorative which I want. First I'll add some floral for the decoration of my banner. I'm using that flower, resizing it, and perfect. And on the top I want to use another, this one, changing the angle. You can use any flowers you want. There are so many options in that asset. It's all up to you how you can play with your design. And perfect. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more image. This also I have downloaded from the vector stock, so need to remove that background. So again, I previously shown you, rasterize that layer, go to pixel persona, you will get the tool, select flooded, click on the image, press delete, the background will be removed. Now that text we have to remove, select the erase tool and erase that. Actually I am using these hearts, flow of hearts. For the babies, our hearts are always open. And remove that a little bit more. Perfect. Now I'm going to enlarge that heart so it will be perfect fit on the design. Resizing it, and bigger. Oh, that's perfect. See how the flow is going on. That's perfect. And back to design persona. Now here I want to add some text, normal text. I just want to welcome that baby. Welcome, resize and change the font. I'm going to resize it and give the color, appropriate color. Select this one. Perfect. Let's add some more text. More text we can add. Okay, little munchkin. Let's add some more text here. Little munchkin layer is down. I'll take it up. Okay, perfect. A little bit adjusting that. Indentation here and perfect. Now I think welcome should be a little bit more smaller than little munchkin. Let's resize it first. One size and welcome. I'm resizing the welcome. Actually I want to decrease the size a little bit, and little munchkin I want to decrease the line spacing between little munchkin, and that's perfect. Adjusting that. Oops. Oh, that's great. Now I want to add some text. Welcome with love, mom and dad. Yes, kids love their parents. Oof. With love. I'm going to adjust its size and yes, color also to 20 and change its color. Okay, now I'm going to add text mom and dad. Going to change the font and adjusting it. I think I need to resize the with love size. Font size I need to decrease that a little bit. Okay. And that's perfect. See how quick it is. You can use it as a banner, advertisement, or on your social media. Hope this design will be helpful. Please like the video, subscribe my channel, and considering joining my channel, you can join me on Patreon. Thank you so much.